check-in area. But it looks like all their shipping is... It's the Rock Top. I was about to say American Pro. Alright, let's go put them on the engine. No, it is that stuff. Black and Rock Top. On the last video you saw that they took the steel car out. And that post's still there. The other place is empty again. And there. So let's see what we got today. Older units back there. Maybe they're gonna have a trolley for those. Auction for those trolleys. They're probably gonna have auction for these guys if this stuff keeps happening. Main reason I came is up here. Yeah, it's gonna get a good view of this College Valley engine. So something's going on, but practically all this is plain waste. That place is down. There's trees going up there. Hey, if you're a desperate tree, what do you want to do? You're a desperate tree, you do many things you really don't want to do. Throwing on a building that's rotting away. Many things. Well, if you're a desperate Seagull, you don't sleep on the rails. And the young one.
The babies.
Younger ones.
You!
They look like nothing like their parents. Back there. Yep. Yeah, there's two of them back there. But the young look like it's the sleep almost got attacked. There's one over there and they're gonna switch yard. Yep. Man, these love pluggers. God knows these things are desperate. Especially since Mr. Sleepy almost got attacked. Over there. What? Yeah. I was looking and laughing at these Seagulls and you get to see these older cars.
My window passed.
All because you know, if you want, I could go look up some rail guys, but really in a long run it's probably gonna take me like 2 hours. to figure out everything and anything about these rails, so that's my job. I don't know.